I was literally just about to do a video on USDJPY, and then I got this alert. Apparently there was a news, I'm guessing. I didn't even check to see, but apparently there was a news that was the catalyst to this. Now I'm gonna post the analysis that I did on this yesterday, right? Where I thought that this almost exact thing would have occurred, right? And I said that there would be two scenarios. One, it would either drop from right this area, or it would go up to this area and then drop. I find this to be in very, very good taste because, I mean, if I'm going to actually break it down here for you live as well again, just to kind of explain why I thought this move would happen, right? And let's go to the daily for that. So on the daily, even though I mean, UJ has been bullish for God alone knows how long, quite a while actually, right? And then having this extremely big bear move, right? For almost more than a month now, right? And actually, yeah, more than a month, sorry. And while this is not confirmation that it is bearish, it is confirmation that it is not bullish at present. Now, what this told me is there were a few things occurring right here on the daily time frame. You can actually see that there was an accumulation here for the past few days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, give or take. And then we know that the market really, and well, let me not say we know. I have an idea, I have a belief, a concept that the market only has two states, right? Consolidation and momentum, right? It can only do one of those two things. So when it's in momentum, it's not in consolidation. When it's in consolidation, it's not in momentum. The fact that it is in consolidation here means that momentum is coming next. And the fact that it is supposedly bearish means that it is very likely to continue along that trajectory. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that consolidation a little better. Right? We had this, right? And again, I'm gonna post right here now the images I had of exactly this, right? With my breakdown, all of that. I'm going to post all of that, all right? And I found this to be really, really powerful when you understand why certain things occur. Now, I would have said that this here feels like a liquidity grab, right? And I thought that price might try to come up to here, but I felt like it would be a little too obvious to have price come up to this area, even though that we feel like there's liquidity in this area. You can even see I have this exact area here as a little point of interest. And my reasoning for that is this is the precursor, or it's the beginning of bottommost liquidity, right? So I said that I'm thinking that price can either drop from right this area or go up to this and then drop. And if we go back to the 1 hour now, you can see what actually occurred. It went up, it triggered a few times, grabbing that liquidity and then actually dropping, right? As we said in the images that I would have shown earlier in this video, as we said, these here do not show me that it is in bear momentum, even though they would have broken out to the bottom of this consolidation. This, however, does tell me that it is in momentum now because there are no wicks really to the downside. They're actually wicks to the upside. I mean, think about it, and I said this in that same image that I posted. Think about it logically. If you're looking for sells, why would you want to see bear rejection? So that's just, this is just my thought process on UG and why this is me explaining why I think this happened. And I'm actually very pleased to know that I still have it. I still got it, right? I don't have an opportunity as of yet to try to do anything with this because this is extremely volatile, but I digress. What I will say is this is beautiful, all right? So like and subscribe. Let me know if it is you have any questions. If it is you want me to break this down even further or even better, I might try my best to see if I can produce another video. But it doesn't go a lot deeper than that. So like and subscribe, comment if it is you have any questions, or you can message me directly at EkataTrading. You guys know where to find me. See y'all very, very soon. Peace, guys.